Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and today this is our third and final pizza for Christmas edition. And today's a bit of a special one because today is certainly, we've not got any meat on this one. It's a pure vegetarian one, but it's something that I'm sure everybody's got in their fridge. And here's Oliver to tell us all about it.
Right, so the final instalment, the complete trilogy. This is the Christmas cheeseboard pizza. This involves smoked cheddar, cranberry Wensleydale, and mozzarella as well. You know, the basic cheeses, but with a little special edition.
And we're also going to be using a sprinkle of the Parmigiano cheese on there as well, just to lift it off a bit. So plenty of cheese. If you have nightmares, probably not a great pizza to try this one because there's a lot of cheese on there, isn't there, Oliver?
Yeah.
Pizza as well. So what we're going to do next is we're going to go over to the kitchen, we're going to prep that up, you're going to see what we're going to be doing, and then we're going to bring it back here and we'll tell you how it tastes. So this is the pizza ball using Caputo Pizzeria, and we're making now the cheese Christmas board pizza.
Yep, this is the Christmas cheeseboard pizza. This is cranberry Wensleydale, smoked cheddar, and mozzarella.
And don't forget that Parmigiano as well on top of that. So just sweeping away the semola flour there, and as always with Caputo Pizzeria pizza dough, it stretches out really nicely. So on with the tomato sauce, and I say this is just a straightforward cheese pizza. We're using the Mutti tomato sauce, on with the Parmigiano, straightforward enough. This is the smoked cheddar. We smoke it at home ourselves, and we have a video on that. Put a link in the description for you. So there is the cranberry Wensleydale.
It didn't work too well, but it was a good thing to try at home.
So that's looking great. Let's get the shovel underneath and let's get it in the oven. So as always, we've put it in at 400 degrees in the rock box, and it really did smell nice actually, this pizza, didn't it, Oliver, when we were cooking it?
It did smell okay. It just smelled like a nice cheese pizza.
Yep, and this is one of the things with this with Caputo Pizzeria dough is you always get a lot of consistent results with the actual pizza base itself. And again, if you're wanting to see how to use Caputo Pizzeria, there's a link in the description to one of our other videos that we've done on Caputo Pizzeria with a great recipe. So yeah, it really did cook nice. It was a very cold day, by the way, when we filmed this, so hence when we take this pizza out in a second, there'll be a huge steam plume, won't there, Oliver?
Yeah, we will. It did put a few problems in with the filming, but you know, it all worked out.
Yep, Oliver does all the filming, and he does a fantastic job, and I'm sure you'll agree on this one, he's doing a great job on this. So that pizza is looking just about ready, so let's take it out, get it inside, and let's get it cut up. Okay, Oliver, so what have we got here?
So we've got the Christmas cheeseboard pizza. It does live up to its name, it is quite cheesy.
So when you've got lots of cheese left over,
yeah, have lots of cheese,
and you don't know what to do with it, and you're fed up with just eating it as it is, maybe this is your alternative. Okay, let's get it tucked in. Got some cheese pulp.
Yeah.
And cranberries are very sweet.
You.
Look at that. You can hang your washing on that.
Yeah. It's mostly just fat mozzarella.
No, not much washing comes out of your bedroom.
No, it says you with clothes piled high up on the floor. The Wensleydale works okay. I probably wouldn't have it on any other form of pizza.
No. Oliver, what do you give this one?
This one I'll probably give it 7. Like, it was nice, it was cheesy. Wensleydale I found wasn't the best. It's also not the worst.
I'd go with that 7. Definitely. Okay guys, so there you go, that's the cheese pizza that we created using all that Christmas cheese that you have left over. All it means for me to say is Merry Christmas.
And Happy New Year.
And we will see you in 2024 for some more exciting pizza videos. All I always say is bye for now.